Imagine replacing a car the entire world already called perfect. Most companies wouldn't dare. Bugatti did. Because true luxury doesn't compete with others. It competes with its own legacy. The Tourbillon isn't just another hypercar. It's Bugatti's declaration that history should never become a comfort zone. Hidden beneath its sculpted body is an all-new, naturally aspirated V16 engine, created for emotion before numbers. While everyone chased smaller turbocharged engines, Bugatti built something almost extinct. 16 cylinders. No turbochargers. Pure mechanical symphony. Then Bugatti added electric power, not to replace the soul, but to amplify it. The result? Nearly 1800 horsepower, waiting beneath your right foot. But power alone never creates desire. Emotion does. That's why the dashboard isn't a screen pretending to be timeless. Instead, Bugatti built an instrument cluster inspired by Swiss watchmaking. Because software becomes outdated, mechanical art becomes immortal. Even the steering wheel was redesigned, so every gauge remains perfectly visible while driving. Every millimeter reminds you that engineering can still feel personal. Only a handful of people will ever own one. And that's exactly the point. Scarcity transforms transportation into status. People don't chase Bugatti because they need speed. They chase the feeling of owning what almost nobody else can. If engineering, psychology, and extraordinary machines fascinate you, subscribe now. Tomorrow, we'll uncover another masterpiece, hiding a story far bigger than its price tag.